Class Academy channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing about one thing that can make people respect you and value your relationships, which is called integrity, keeping up your words. My dear viewers, whatever you are telling to people, please ensure that you are noting down, you are doing something to remember it and ensuring that you are keeping up your word. And this is going to bring about lots and lots of positivity, respect and value for all the people who are your stakeholders or who are connected with you. Wishing you happiness and success today. I hope today's video will help you ignite your day today, and please remember to share your experiences in the comment box below and also subscribe to our channel so that you are getting regular update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.